back to our channel. Before we begin this amazing story, follow us and leave a comment below. Ready? Let's go!
Mom?
Dad, I am excited.
We are excited too, Ben. Are you ready for the zoo?
Yes, I love animals.
The family arrives at the zoo. The zoo is big and beautiful.
Wow, look at the zoo.
There are many animals here.
Wow! Look at the zoo! Here you go.
Thanks.
We got the tickets. Can we go see the elephants now?
The giraffes are very tall.
Wow!
The giraffe is so tall. Giraffes have long necks. The giraffe is...
That tickles.
Oh, wow.
What a special moment, huh?
The elephant is very big. Elephants are big and strong.
Look at the elephant's trunk.
The monkeys are jumping. The monkeys are very active. They like to play. The monkey is funny. It's funny.
Look at that one swinging right there.
They really are the playful primates.
This is amazing. Wow, look how fast they are. Isn't this amazing, buddy?
They look just like us when we're playing. The family is hungry.
I like juice.
Let's relax. I'm happy.
Look! The zebras are black and white.
Smile. This is a special day. I love the zoo.
They know how to swim well. Look at the penguin walking. How cute! Wow, he has a horn on his nose. Is he a unicorn?
Rhinos are very heavy and powerful.
He's like a gray armored unicorn, Theo. A rhinoceros.
Look!
Is that a log in the water?
No, it's an alligator.
They have very sharp teeth and a strong tail. Look, Theo, it winked.
Look at that big bear. Is he going to catch a fish? Yes, bears are excellent fishermen in rivers. He did it. Look, a bear.
Wow.
Oh my. Whee!
Did you see the giraffe stick its tongue out?
I did. It was so cute.
I think your mother liked the monkeys the most, though. Did you like the zoo?
Yes, I love animals.
What is your favorite animal?
I like the giraffe.
Thank you so much for watching. Did you enjoy the story? Please comment here which animal do you like best.